Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. We are doing an oil change on this Wonda the Honda.
Wonda the Honda.
And
oh, wicked Wonda the Honda.
Yeah, whole season on riding on the same oil. But we're gonna get started here.
Coming out of hibernation now.
Let's see. Oh yeah, this is gonna be interesting.
Right?
This is gonna be interesting. I think it's gonna be more of a wrench job than it is this contraption.
What?
I think it's gonna be a wrench.
Where is it?
It's right over here.
It's not straight up?
No, it's right here.
Oh my. Now, let me see that wrench. Maybe I can get a better angle of it.
Right here?
That fucker is in fucking... It is a 17 though, isn't it?
Yep. I believe so. But where it's located, sadly, is a very difficult place.
Ah, you motherfucker, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
So,
sorry.
That's alright. So yeah, it really is a motherfucker to get to. We keep it weird here, what can I say? It ain't nothing but a thing. We will get this done. We will adapt and overcome and get this oil drained out of this bike. Have some fresh oil to go in. Yeah, I was gonna say, if you hand me the wrench, I can probably get that from over here.
Oh, get him in right here. Oh, what the fuck is it? Yeah. Right.
Oh, you got it?
That's tightening it. Jesus.
Here, I can probably get a better angle from this side.
There it is right there.
Oh, you got it cracked?
Nope. Trying to. Yeah.
There we go.
There we go. Got a new seal too, right?
Yeah, I got a crush washer for it.
There we go. She's a low little bugger.
Oh, yes. This is the Honda version of the Sportster, sadly. Yeah, I can reach in there. Oh, there we go.
Pandemic oil. Oh, you get that rag?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, pandemic oil's right.
Still pretty clean, but it's better to change it when it's a little clean.
Yes. Yeah, it's about 2 quarts, I think, 2.5 quarts of the Honda oil. That's going back into it because it's a petroleum-based oil, and that's what Hondas prefer. So, yeah, we got that draining out. All right, now we got the oil drain.
Yeah, it was sideways.
Installing the new crush washer with the drain plug after wiping that all down and wiping off the area where the plug will be, and with the washer try to keep it as clean as possible. Then I'll have to move this drain pan towards the rear.
Here, I'll let you tighten it. Or I'll tighten it, but so I'll let you do it a little more if you want. Ah, that just hurt. I'll do this after. That's a little snug noise.
That's snug. That's good enough.
Is it?
Yep, that's on there.